I'd just like to say a big thanks for taking us to Washington and New York. Amazing, probably the best thing I've ever done. Met some amazing people, and hands down my favourite part was Washington. Truly amazing. Thank you.
My favourite part of the trip was collecting all my pin badges from all the amazing different places we went.
My favourite thing about the trip was laughing all the time, making lots of new memories, seeing the sights of New York and Washington DC, and learning a lot about the history of America, as well as ticking nearly everything off my bucket list.
My favourite thing about the trip was meeting lots of new people and experiencing America for the first time. I definitely didn't think I was going to get a place on the trip when I applied, but it's been the highlight of my university experience.
I enjoyed the experience of dynamic New York City, and I enjoyed a lot the Washington. It's a very beautiful town. As well, I managed to get some new friends during this trip, and I think it's really amazing.
My favourite part of the trip was making loads of new friends and eating loads of triple cheeseburgers.
I thoroughly enjoyed myself in New York City and Washington DC. It took me a little while to adapt to New York because of the fast pace, but I enjoyed the culture, the diversity, beautiful city. It was so much fun. Washington DC was a little bit laid back and really beautiful. I also enjoyed it there, but amongst all the tours that we did, I enjoyed most the 9/11. Just gave me that opportunity to be part of that experience, and I found that amazing.
My favourite part of the trip was getting to see all the historic famous places and getting to learn about the most diverse city in the world.
My favourite part about New York and Washington was experiencing things I'd never experienced before. Also, meeting the wonderful people that I did meet and learning about their experiences. It really can change your world, travelling.
My favourite thing about the trip was just the entire experience from start to finish, and meeting everyone that was on the trip that I wouldn't have had a chance to meet otherwise.
The best part of the trip for me, in particular, me being able to meet new people that I wouldn't have genuinely got to meet even though they go to the same university as me, which is excellent because, you know what I mean, not everyone gets that experience of being put in this position with other people. So the fact that I got to meet new people and make new friends that I never would have thought I'd made is, it's excellent. It really is. I'm just happy that the university gave me this opportunity to be able to do so. So yeah, I'm really grateful for the international travel laws as well.
The trip was absolutely exceptional, which I'll be forever grateful for. Thank you so much, University of Derby.
I loved everything about this trip. Seeing the students embrace new experiences and build new friendships with each other was really special. It was unforgettable.